Mobile app. Just set them up and stream live footage anytime. You can check on your front
and they've set out to make home security footage more approachable and friendly and affordable for more people and families. This brand, it really excels at is the user-friendliness of the products. I was actually the one that set up these WUUK devices. Everything was super fast and connected the first time. This doorbell has a wake-up time of 0.35 seconds. The doorbell produces 2K footage, and this is a lot higher quality than we've had in the past. And again, with WUUK, there's no monthly fees, and the base station provides 32 gigs of secure local storage. So if you're looking for a high-quality home monitoring system at a great price, I think WUUK is a great company to check out.
This is the WUUK Smart Doorbell Pro Kit. I have been dying to get one since we moved into our home. And then before you know it, you have an installed front doorbell camera. I love to get notified when I have movement or if anybody rings the doorbell. And this just works. Whenever I go to my WUUK app, I can record, I can take snapshots, I can speak directly, I can reply, and it has the quality you can also change as well. So if you're looking for an incredible at-home door system, don't forget to check out this one. I think it's amazing. It's a really great price as well. And I love that there's no monthly fee.